confident, and talented actress that will give grace to Ever Belena family. Please welcome Miss Loisa Andalio. Alright, hi Loisa, and welcome to Ever Belena. So how do you feel today?
Masaya na, kinakabahan. Siyempre excited po ako.
Yes, of course. So how does it feel like to be a new brand ambassador for Ever Belena?
Siyempre sobrang happy ako and sobrang honored ako na ako yung napili nila na maging face nitong Ever Belena kasi alam naman natin, ito yung #1 local brand ng cosmetics dito sa Pilipinas. Sobrang happy talaga ako, grateful kasi pinagkatiwalaan nila ako eh. Na, di ba sobrang dami kong kasabayan ngayon na artista na kasi edad ko.
Yes.
Pero ako yung binigyan nila ng ganitong kalaking opportunity.
Wow, so that's nice to hear. So, what made you decide to accept the offer naman?
Siyempre, sino po naman ako para tumanggi pa dito? Ever Belena na to, di ba? Di ba? Hindi ako nag-decide, nagdalawang isip na tatanggapin ko. Nung nalaman ko talaga to, sobrang happy ako. As in, nung nalaman ko na kukunin nila ako, kakagising ko lang na papunta akong taping, 4 a.m. Tutulog ka, mabasa mo. Di ba pag natutulog tayo, pag bagong gising, pagod antok, pero pag ako talaga, as in, sabi ko, ha! As in, napatunan talaga ako sa sobrang saya ko na malaman ko na magiging endorser ako nitong Ever Belena.
Wow, so have you been using Ever Belena ever since?
Yes, high school pa lang ako. Ginagamit ko na ito tong Ever Belena. Kaya nung nalaman ko, wow, hindi na ako magbibili ng makeup.
Free makeup.
Kasi sobrang fan talaga ako nitong Ever Belena.
Okay, that's nice to hear. Okay, for a question for Miss Denise naman. So, why did Ever Belena choose Loisa naman? Amongst, sabi nga niya, ang daming kasabayan. So, what made you decide to choose Loisa as a brand ambassador?
Yes, well, Ever Belena, we're constantly evolving, diba, year after year. And, during these times, really want to reach the up-and-coming markets and the current market to start the millennials. And, Ever Belena has always been the local Filipino brand. And, we feel Loisa, she's young, fresh, she's very active. So she embodies what we want to see in a Filipina, male or female, like people who just love makeup. So it's a plus that Loisa loves makeup, loves Ever Belena, and she's basically, I think, just the perfect choice as of this moment for Ever Belena and our direction moving forward.
Oh, yeah, nice to hear. So, how does it feel that Loisa is now part of the Ever Belena family?
I mean, usually when Ever Belena is everywhere. And, right now we're currently replacing all our fixtures with Loisa's face to really, promote Loisa as the new face of Ever Belena. And usually, I have to look in sales, I have to personally check the stores or have my team check to find out whether her fixtures have been replaced with Loisa's images. Now, I don't even need to because her fans would update us on Twitter, they tagged us on Instagram. I even found out recently that we have an activation in SM Cabanatuan because Loisa's image was there and her fans took photos with it. So I think, Loisa's name also speaks for itself now. So I think it's a great collaboration, a great partnership with Ever Belena.
Wow, so that's nice to hear. So, how do you feel about that, Loisa? After all that?
Masaya lang ako. Sobrang saya lang talaga ng nararamdaman ko ngayon. Kasi, yun nga sabi ni ate, napakadami din mga supporter ko na talagang active talaga na talagang pumupunta sa store ng Ever Belena para mag-picture at bumili.
That's nice. Okay, another question for Miss Olive naman. So, what are the things that the consumer would be expecting from the brand?
Well, a lot. For one, we will be coming out with trendier products, definitely new mascaras, highlighters, liquid lipsticks. Well, oh my gosh, those are the things that the market are really looking for now. In terms of presence, digitally, will be there. A lot of videos. Of course, social media will be there also. Same the traditional media, we have TV. What else? Well, practically will be everywhere. Aside from the fact that Loisa is everywhere in terms of pictures and emojis. So her fans are really very good in supporting the brand as well. So, yeah.
Okay, so I think we'll be seeing a lot more Forever Belinda, of course. So before we proceed with more of the questions, especially for the press, let's take a look at the new Ever Belinda TVC entitled A Day in a Life.
Ready? From street to sweet. Secrets Ever Belinda.
Wow, so nice. Very clean, very millennial. Perfect for Loisa. Okay, so what do you think about the TVC?
Sobrang saya ko kasi ngayon ko lang siya napanood. And happy ako kasi ito yung first TVC ko. Na solo ako. Grabe, napanood ko na siya. Ang ganda niya. Kasi napanood ko na kung ano yung shoot namin nung behind the scene. Ayun, nakakatuwa kasi yan, may TVC na ako and Ever Belinda.
Wow, congratulations.
Ganda.
Yes. So of course we have, I think, the press and lots of questions as well. So would like to open the floor for questions. Yes. Are you ready to answer? Okay, yes, sir.
Hi, Loisa.
Hello, Princess Fran.
Yes, ang question ko ngayon, I have two questions for you, okay? In relation na rin kasi, I see this commercial as someone introducing a new Loisa to everyone after PBB, after all the shows we've done.
Yes.
And you're turning 18.
Yes.
So, ang question ko for you is, what excites you about turning 18?
Ang nakakapag-excite sa akin na mag-18 na ako, siguro ngayon mas may pwede na akong magawa ko yung mga gusto ko na, paano ba? Ang hirap. May freedom ka na. Pero mayroon pa rin permit syempre ng magulang mo. Pero ngayon mas excited na ako na mag-explore pa. Ayan.
What actually fears naman yung natatakot ka about turning 18? Kung meron man.
Parang wala naman. Parang mas excited ako, mas happy lang ako na mag-18 na ako.
And lastly, since you're turning 18, so does that mean ba na mas bukas na yung puso mo ngayon sa, of course, I mean, or nagsarang ka